Today is day 48 and my 8th day in the workshop. So it's about time to do a damage report. I'll start from the back to the front, which is actually the least severe to the more severe repairs needed. Okay, so first thing, at the back, we found out that the brake rotor is cracked. You can see here. So the new part already came in and Joe already put on the new brake rotor. Okay, so we are good for the back already. Okay, now we move forward to the front. Okay, starting from the brake caliper. Inside the brake caliper, we got this worn off dust cap. So Joe got the new part and he already replaced it. Okay, then there's another like worn off dust cap, okay, for the ball mount, which is here. Okay, so that's already changed. Good thing is the strut, right, is still working smooth, okay, and there's no damage to this ball mount assembly here. Okay, and then when Joe opened up inside here, the top part here, okay, he found out that the previous workshop assembled this small component inside upside down, so that's probably the cause for a lot of sound. When the workshop assembled back, he was not sure what kind of grease they use, right? The entire ball bearing is hardened up, but I tried to get the video from Joe and show you all. So that he fixed already, so he assembled back. Okay. Okay, they're also trying to help me rebuild the broken fender here. Fix already.
วัดเทียนแล้วก็เจียต้อยครอบกัน
เดี๋ยวเราค่อยเจียค่อยแต่งค่อยอะไรเอาเดี๋ยวเราค่อยโอเค
There used to be one big hole over here.
ดอมดูใจเดี๋ยวเราค่อยเจียเดี๋ยวเราค่อยแต่งให้สวย
Okay, the van also no longer drive straight. I have to hold this steering right to the right a bit for the van to go straight. So this will be the last fix. When everything is done, we will drive this van to a tire workshop to get it properly aligned. Then we go to the front part. The front part previously, okay, the fan is not there, but the fan cover is broken. Okay. Yeah, this part here is broken, and then this part here is broken. So Joe sent this to another separate workshop to have it mesh back. I think it's like carbon fiber now at some of the parts. Okay, then again there was this like noise the last time I left the workshop. So this time, because we did work on the engine, figure out that the pulley is making a lot of sound. So he ordered the replacement part already, so we're gonna have the pulley replaced. Okay, and then to the engine, there was a oil leak. You can see at this part here. Okay, it's like a lot of oil residue there, but the engine, right, isn't losing engine oil, because for the past few thousand kilometers, right, the engine oil level hardly dropped. So we suspect it might be a fuel leak and this part here I think is the fuel injector. Okay, this one. So this part was previously dismantled, right, and the gasket were all replaced with new one. These are the old gasket, you see, they are like stiff and hard already. Okay, so hopefully, right, the leak was really from the fuel but not from the engine oil, because if after this and we test the engine and there's still more leaks, right, we might need to open the engine up to replace the gasket for the components below. Yeah, that will set us back like probably another week or two.